Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to your favorite channel Tech Job. Today we are going to see a new opportunity from Thinkitive. Job title is for trainee software engineer, and eligibility criteria is B BTech MTech and MCA. A good opportunity for all 2018, 2019, 2020 and 2021 batches, and basic requirements are strong communication and interpersonal skill, problem solving approach, software development, data structure programming, front end knowledge. So you have some front end knowledge like HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and fundamental knowledge of C, C++, OOPS concept for applying this job. There are total 5 rounds. First round is online assessment coding round, 3 interview round, and 1 HR round. Two are technical interview, one is managerial and logical interview. So I paste the link in the description box. Go and apply for the job. A good opportunity to you all. And if you new to our channel, please hit like and subscribe button for more latest job related videos.